Good morning, everyone. How are you? I'll just sneak in the screen a little bit. Welcome to winter and winter breakfast. So we as a family love porridge, particularly my youngest son, and he makes this on a regular basis. Hi Hannah, how you going? Let me know if you're popping on. Give me a heart. I'd love for you to share this with any of your friends that may own a Thermomix. So hit share if you want to as well. So we're going to make some porridge this morning, but I'm going to do it. Morning, Belinda. Lovely to see you on here. So we're going to do it, but I'm going to do it with a little twist because this recipe that we have on our Cookidoo is actually for a serving of 4. So honestly, not everybody wants porridge for breakfast. So this morning I'm going to show you how to do it as for 1. Because often we're just making breakfast for ourselves. And what is great about this, that you can pop all the ingredients in and go and jump in the shower or do what you've got to do. And in 8 minutes, it's singing at you saying, it's ready, come and eat me. So, all right, so I'm not going to use my Cookidoo this morning. I'm actually going to use our manual mode. So I'm just going to hit my home button. Okay, so that'll bring us back to our home screen where you've got our time, temperature, and your speed of your blade. But I need to weigh in some ingredients. So I'm just going to scoot across to my scales and bring them up. And we're going to pop in 40 grams of rolled oats. Remember, we're only doing this for 1 person. So I'm just going to pop 40 grams in, or close enough to. And this is a yummy breakfast for 1. So now we're going to pop in our 120 grams of milk. Now, if you want this to be all made on milk, you can just replace the water with the water part of the ingredients to milk, or you can make it all on water if that's what you want to do. You could use any type of milk as well. So now we're going to pop in 90 grams of water. And I don't know if you noticed, I'm actually using my MC for that, because why wet something, dirty something else? So this actually will measure 100 mils, or you can see there's like a little line on the inside here that takes you to 100, and on the other side there's one that takes you line to 50. So that's always cool. I've gone slightly over with that, but that doesn't matter. Now we're going to head back to our home screen. And we're going to set our time for 7 to 8 minutes. So I'll go 7.5. And 90 degrees. And we're going to put it on reverse. So if you don't know how to do reverse, you can see a little blade in the center of your selector button. If you press that, that'll actually make your blade go into reverse. And we're going to pop it on speed 2, but I will need to put my lid on, hey. So I'll pop the lid on, pop my MC into the hole, and then we're going to put it on speed 2. And now it's just going to do its thing. So how exciting is that? So rather than do the recipe for 4, if you're not interested in doing the recipe for 4, then why not try it for 1 person? The other thing is, sometimes I like, for myself, rather than putting sugar on the top, my son likes brown sugar and banana on the top, but that's him, I will whack in a date in with the mix, and then that will be enough to sweeten that for me, and I don't need to actually use any processed sugars. So I hope you enjoyed that little tip, and happy Monday, and welcome to winter and winter breakfast. And if you would like to see something, please don't hesitate just to pop a little message to me, and I'll be happy to show you live at another time. So thanks for joining me. Have a wonderful week and enjoy your winter breakfast. Mwah! Happy Thermomixing!